What's up, traders? In this video, we're going to talk about some of the crazy statistics put out by MyForexFunds about the traders who take their challenge. Now, it's important we understand these statistics and really pay attention to them in order for us to try to defy them, to try to beat the odds. My name is Austin Silver, for those of you that are new to my channel. I appreciate you being here. I make a ton of videos all about how I trade, getting funded, crypto, indices, all that fun stuff. So make sure you subscribe, and if you like the video, give me a big thumbs up. I appreciate that very much. Before we get into the video, as always, I'd like to just verify that I am actually funded with MyForexFunds and I am trading a live account with them. So first, you'll see this is my funding certificate given to me about a month ago on December 16th of 2021. And then you'll see here on FX Blue, this is my live account. You can see it's a real account right here. I'm up about 3.1% on the 100K live account with them. My peak drawdown is 0.6%. My total return, 3.2%. My average winner getting closer to my average loser. Average winner of about 132. Average loser of 137. But as you can see right here, I'm winning 65% of my trades, which is why I'm profitable. And as you can see on the right side, doing a lot of Bitcoin trading. 77% of my trades have been on Bitcoin. And that was one of the reasons why I wanted to get funded, was because I could then trade Bitcoin with a broker that I felt I could trust. Now, when we go over to their website, when we go to MyForexFunds website, and I'll put this link in the description so you guys can check this out, but it's on their blog. You can see the date here. FTMO does the same thing, where they put out statistics about the traders who have taken their challenges. But because I'm funded with MyForexFunds, we're going to focus here on their statistics. Now, we're not going to look at October. We're instead just going to jump to November. It's basically the same thing. What you'll see is that they had 5,718 new accounts open up, which means that they had almost 6,000 people attempt to take these challenges. Their challenge, phase one, you have to make 8% gain in 30 days, and then you have to make a 5% gain in the next 60 days. You can do this with a small account, like a 25K, a 50K account, I think they offer. They even offer a 100K or a 200K. You saw I have the 100K. So that's the first thing. Understand they had about 5,700 people, 5,700 people sign up last month. Total payouts, just about $2.8 million. Most traded pair is gold, XAU USD. The most profitable pair has also been gold, which is interesting because I never trade gold. It's not something I'm comfortable with. The least profitable pair, which is traded very often as well, GBP JPY. That's very interesting to note, right? Notice if you go back to October, they're slightly different. The most traded pair is gold. The most profitable pair, though, was GA. But again here, the least profitable pair, GBP JPY. The people who passed the phase one target of making 8% in 30 days, which I did, as you saw, in November, only 10%, so only 571 people passed out of 5,700. Now, of the 571, only 24% passed phase two. So let's do that math really quick. We'll take 5,718, and we're going to take 10% of that, just so you know I'm doing the math right. That's 571. So let's just round it up to 571, just to not do decimals. Now we're going to take 24% of that, so times 0.24. That's 137. So now you're only down from 5,700 people in November, only 137 actually passed phase two. I guess since I passed it in November, or did I pass it? I guess I passed it in December. So I'm not in the November statistics. I'm in the December statistics, which will come out later. But now you can see only 137 people passed phase two. But beyond that, only 3% of those people actually got the first profit split, which means they traded for 30 days and didn't blow the account. Now you see I'm only 1 day off my 30 days. So I'm going to be making a video soon about the payout. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. And I'm even hosting a webinar. I'll put the link down in the description, going over the trades that I've taken and the strategies that I'm using to trade these crypto trades and do so well with my Forex funds. How I'm able to be a part of such a small percentage of people. That's what I'm talking about in the webinar. So make sure you check that out. But anyway, back to this. Only 3% of 137. So let's times that, times 0.03. Literally 4 people out of 5,718. Only 4 people actually took their first payout, which is crazy. Now, I could be a little bit off in those exact numbers because of their new live accounts. These people, you have to trade the one account in 30 days, the one account you have 60 days. So there could be some slight variation. But we were talking about it this morning in the Black Shirt Club. And Tom, the Kaizen trader, as some of you know him as, he's been on the channel before. He basically did the math quick and he explained how basically for every 100 people that try, only half of a person makes it to getting their first payout. Only half of a person. So when you go into one of these funding challenges, you really are saying that you want to be a part of the 0.5 percentile, the half a percent, the top cream of the crop. Now, I'm sitting here and I'm trying to motivate you guys and educate you guys and get you to the point that I'm at, which is being a part of that small group. But I think in order to do that, we have to analyze what the people who struggle are doing and make sure we're doing the opposite. That's basically what I pride myself on doing. So first, I'm a big believer in using a stop loss. You'll always hear me talk about identifying your risk. First statistics that they put here. Over 60% of traders in our database do not use a stop loss. Right there, 6 out of 10 people are putting themselves in a tough position to succeed. So first thing you could do is start using a stop loss if you're not already. The next interesting statistic here, the traders who have made it to their 4th pay cycle all have a risk management strategy below 3% risk on any given day. If you look at my trading, if we go back to my FX Blue and we go to my daily trading, if I go to daily profit, this is a 100K account. I lost 0.4% here, 0.3% here. These are my losing days, and 0.5% here. Because 1% of 100,000 is 1,000, and I lost $500. So you can see I fit that risk profile. I'm very conservative in my risk, but it ends up with a beautiful equity curve like this when you win more than you lose. So back to the statistics, for someone that wants to reach their 4th pay cycle, you really need to have a controlled risk management strategy. You can't YOLO it. You can't put 5% on a trade, 3% on a trade. Everything that I've been doing is less than 0.5% normally on all of my trades. The next statistics, the profitable traders are in market less than 4 hours a day. They're not marrying trades and jabbing at trades all hours of the day. We have our hours, we stick to those hours, and that's it. The next statistic, it says the most profitable traders do not hold trades overnight. I think that that's super interesting too, because I'm not a big swing trader. You never really see me hold trades overnight. Then they say a trader who holds trades over the weekend has a 60% high chance of failing or losing their account. So right there, don't hold trades over the weekend. I was trading Bitcoin on Friday. I wanted to hold it, but I took a small loss instead, got out, came back in on Monday, 2 days ago, and crushed the short on Monday. Literally, I can prove that to you right here by looking at my daily statistics. If you look here, today is January 12th. So the 7th was Friday, the 8th was Saturday, the 9th was Sunday, Monday was the 10th. Profit 378 on Monday. I lost 542 on Friday. Take the L, move on. 378 on Monday, 394 yesterday, and then today 719. That's why the equity curve looks like this. Controlled risk. Don't hold trades over the weekend. Let's keep going. When the market is more volatile, more traders fail because of a lack of risk management, naturally. If volatility is prolonged, it's a bloodbath. So volatility doesn't seem to be super good. There are 5 traders who are on their 8th payout on live evaluation accounts. 5 people. Out of the thousands that have tried this, 5 people have made it to 8 months of getting paid out. And that's my goal, is be one of those 5 people. I think I'm absolutely able to be that. I've already proven that. All of them trade conservatively and make sure they get paid. None of them risk more than 2% per trading day, and they stop when they've reached 4 to 8% profit target until the pay cycle has ended so they can get paid out. So they're only looking 4 to 8% gains per month. I'm up 3.2%. I'm just on pace. I'm a little bit under, actually, because this is 30 days of trading, but that includes like trading over New Year's and stuff, and that was slow. So I'm just on pace for that. And then the last thing here, all traders who received record payouts have lost their account within 3 weeks of the record payout due to excessive risk. That's the most important thing right there, is that everyone is getting high on their horse because they hit a couple of winning trades, but they don't have a winning system. So they can't maintain that. And because they're throwing big lots because they don't care, because it's a stupid challenge and they don't give a fuck, they throw big lots, they hit a couple winners, they think that they're killers, and then they, of course, as you can see, give it all back. So I love MyForexFunds for sharing these statistics, and I hope that now you can see, from looking at that and seeing my results, you can see what you should be doing. Controlled risk, not trading over the weekend, not really trading overnight, not trading for more than 4 hours a day, and focusing on the pairs that pay well, the indices, Bitcoin, the Forex pairs that are moving, not Euro CHF. You know what I'm saying? I hope this video helps, guys. I hope it motivates you. Good luck if you're taking a challenge. I don't get paid to make these videos by MyForexFunds. I have no affiliate to them, no affiliate link to any company. I'm an educator. I don't want to have a conflict of interest. I don't want to get paid just for you trading. I want to get paid to help you trade better. So if you want to learn more about how I can do that, click the links in the description, sign up for that webinar that I mentioned. We'll see you there, and I appreciate you guys again for being here. So we'll see you in the next video.